What's up, guys? Northern Cali Fishing here. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos and joining our channel here on YouTube.
We haven't ever done this before, so we're not very good yet. But
we've been into fishing for about 5 to 7 years now.
We got
it's really one of our hobbies. We've gotten 2 boats. We had 3 boats overall in the past.
We got the boats about 4 or 5 years ago, and that's what really got us into fishing, because we can go to lakes, go in the middle. Before, we would just fish in ponds for bass or catfish or bait for trout and stuff like that.
And about 1 year ago, we got a brand new boat, fishing boat. So about 2 years ago, we actually got another aluminum boat, which you've seen in our last video. And thank you guys so much for just all the support you've given us. And please smash that like button and subscribe.
It only takes like 5 seconds, so
please, it really helps us, guys.
Even if you don't like it, just please try and do that.
And I know that you guys have seen us not catch that much fish. It's very hard in the summer. We are gonna upload some videos on this video here from the lakes.
Lake Almanor, Collins Lake Reservoir, Rollins Lake, Englebright, and Union Valley.
Thank you guys so much, and Northern Cali out.